right, next up, I want to show you how to use the overlays in Create the X. This is how you track work across the field and visually see exactly what's been done. Overlays can be used for tillage, spraying, planting, fertilizer applications, and mowing, anywhere where coverage matters. Now, this isn't meant to replace any in-cab precision ag equipment. The overlays in Create the X are simply a way to record what you've done with dates, notes, and give you a visual reference you can come back to anytime. You've got two ways to create an overlay. First is GPS tracking. When you start an overlay using GPS, Create the X will track your movement and apply coverage based on whatever width your machine or implement is, laying it down in real time as you drive or walk the unit. This works great for normal field operations, but we also use it to track our path when we're hand seeding millet onto mud flats, where there's no in-cab system and it's hard to keep track of where you've been. The second option is manual drawing. This lets you draw the overlay directly on the map, which is perfect if the work's already been done or you're logging it after the fact. Once the overlay is saved, it's logged to your account so you can view it anytime or reference it later. Now let me show you how we do this in the app. Okay, to create an overlay from our main map here, we'll go down to Quick Add and then choose between the 6 overlays that we have: herbicide, planting, mowing, tillage, fertilizer, and also controlled burn. Controlled burn's a little bit different because it doesn't log any set width. But for this video, we're going to do tillage. So as soon as we do that, we'll select our equipment, which we'll use our Land Pride, which already has our width automatically logged in there, and we're going to hit Start Tracking. We'll zoom in on our spot, and then we'll start. And as you can see, the app will paint your path through the field of your exact width of your implement or machine. Okay, and if you reach a point in the field where you need to pause and you do not want the app to track your path, maybe you're moving to a different section of the field, or if you're planting, you're going up to top off your fertilizer or your seed, you'll simply hit pause, and then you'll drive to the next location. Then once you're ready to resume, simply tap resume, and it'll begin tracking your path again. Okay, and once the overlay is complete, or you finished your work, you just stop tracking and tap Save Overlay. And then we can add in any additional notes. We'll just say this is moist soil disturbance. Oops. And then we'll hit Save. And now, when you go back to your maps and you go to your list, we'll click on Riverbend North, and we'll tap the tillage icon, and that overlay will pop up, and we can see exactly where we've been, when we did it and what we've done. Now, this is especially important for us, for moist soil management. Whenever we do any type of disturbance, we want to know where we did it and when. And also when it comes to late summer, early fall, when we do our moist soil mowing. Each year that looks a little bit different, and based upon the results and the duck use that we got out of that unit, we want to be able to see where we mowed and what we might want to change, and also see what we want to keep in place. The app is also going to store this in your calendar. So if you go back to your main screen and then tap Calendar, you'll see right on the date here that it logged our event. And if you tap on that, it's going to bring up your overlay, weather conditions, equipment, and other notes that you put in there.